Okay, thank you for coming to this presentation. An honor to meet you all here. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, I would like to present our research with title is Implementation of the Online Single Submission System at the Central Investment Coordination Agency in Jakarta. Here, the introduction with the background is permit is an important component in business. Presidential Regulation number 24 of 2018 concerning electronically integrated business licensing service. Problems with the online single submission system. Research purpose is to know the implementation of the online single submission system at the Central Investment Coordinating Board in Jakarta. Formulations of the problem, how is the implementation of the online single submission system at the Central Investment Coordinating Board in Jakarta. Benefits of research are two types, which are academically and practically. Literature review, we are using 5 previous studies in various regions, and for conceptual framework, there are policy implementation theory, public service, and last but not least, online single submission system. Framework a presidential regulation of the Republic of Indonesia number 24 of 2018 concerning electronically integrated business licensing service. And for the input, there are 6 incomplete socialization, service consultation, less than optimal OSS, lack of qualified human resources, policy procedures not yet, and maximum in service serving the community. We are using George Edward Reed's theory for the process. There are 4 factors: communication, resource, disposition, and bureaucratic structure. And the output is implementation of online single submission system. We can check the result is successful or not successful. And for the research approach, we are using qualitative descriptive research methods and data collection techniques. We are using two type, primarily and secondary data. And information determination, we are using progressive technique, sampling technique, and research location and schedule, Central BKPM office in Jakarta, around December until January 2021. And data authenticity checking techniques, search triangulation, and data processing and analysis techniques. We are using interactive model data analysis consisting of data reduction, data presentation, and conclusion. And for the research results and discussion, the set builds an administrative system that aims to serve the interests of the people called bureaucracy, the development and growth of the society, which is dynamically accompanied by an increase in the community standard of living and education coupled with the result of advances in technology and information makes improving the process of empowering the community environment important. The public sector is also expected to follow change that occur quickly and dynamically as in the community. From the results of the interviews above with BKPM staff, conclude organizational structure that is being carried out is under the rule made, and the regulation always follow a developing system. If the author look at the enactment of Presidential Regulation number 24 of 2018, several regulatory changes have adjusted the system until the goal is served. Existing policy procedures have not been running optimally. The result can see clearly from the result of the author interview with respondents that they are not satisfied with the policy procedures. The bureaucratic structure here is good in the regulations that have been issued, but there is still minimal implementation that is known by the business community. From this, uh, we have got the conclusion is the implementation of the online single submission system at the Central Investment Coordinating Board in Jakarta has not been successfully because there are still obstacles to the three theory indicator factor of George Edward Ray's policy implementation. And there are two suggestion, practical suggestion and theoretical suggestion. For the practical, for the first, communication factor must be addressed. And second, in terms of resources, the budget must be increased. And the lastly, the bureaucratic structure factor should be more improved. And for the theoretical suggestions, the theory used in this study only use one theory of policy implementation, namely George Edward Ray's theory of policy implementation. Therefore, in further research, in order to be able to combine it with other policy implementation theories, so that it can provide a broader picture of what aspects also affect policy implementation other than those stated by Edward Trace. Thank you.